So hello, good morning to all. Very heartful welcome to all to my channel. And this is the morning time, winter. It's a spring. The spring has come, and children are going to the schools. It's a school time, but weather is a very chill kind of thing, you know. And when I am child, I used to take bath on this talab, dobe. So children are going to schools, and I am going to also school, you know. But it's a different kind of teaching here. So you still see that the road condition is not up to the mark still, but life never stops, you know. Life never stops for anybody. So we keep moving. With audience or without audience, we have to be carry on. So this is the Kokpur. It's called Mohalla. It is Bade Para. And there is a people tree, the giant. So you can see that how the houses are built there, and CC roads. So usually people go these times, their field works. They already started their day in 6 a.m. morning, you know. And that is one school, that is a Matwada Lal. This is a primary school, and this is one dome, the water conservation dome. So this is called street of villages, and they are very dangerous, and you have to be drive very carefully, so you save yourself, and you think safety for others. So people used to go, the daily wagers. They are the daily wagers, so they are going to the work, and usually they go one pickup, and main work is a trolley, tractors, laborers. So minimum wages is very low actually, because of education, unqualified. They are not so much educated. So people have no choice to do this kind of job. They have to be immerse themselves for their family. And this is one of the good road, but as I told you before my videos, the big trucks and trolleys are killer for this road. So they destroyed the beauty and structure of this road. And weather is very chill kind of thing, chill, cold vibe I getting when I'm driving this bike. So that is a very and that is one of another villages that is called Malgaon. And as I told you, this kind of statue you see in a small villages, because they belong, the martyrs, the shaheed belong to this village. So they are the hero from villages. And this is the Srimati Indira Gandhi Smriti Shashki, a government medical college. So this is the one institution recently opened, and it's a produce futures medical officers kind of things, medical troops, doctors. They produce doctors. So it's good to have in this area, the medical college. And if I am talking about this road, now it's not good. It's not up to the mark road, but before that, in my childhood, there is no road. There is just mortar, damar. There is a kacha mark, kacha rasta, and this is the NH 30 highway, bypass. That is a beautiful lane, actually 2-lane roads. It's a highway and a full speed, full throttles, a monster truck is drive, this kind of thing, you need to skills to drive in these roads, so you need to always be careful while driving this road. So let's move forward. This is called Nandanmara. That is another village, and the same features, households that are made from the mud, cements nowadays. And in my childhood, I used to be come here in a bull cart, the Balgari bull carts, to bring the urea, the minerals for the plant. So people started their days. They are all walking. Middle class, lower middle class societies they belong. There is no rich families, colonies not there. So these are the commercial complex. You have to be with bore wells, some kind of things. And this area of a complex, series of complex have car showroom. There are series of cars, whatever you want to buy. There is showroom of Tata, Bajaj, Hyundai. And previous video I talk about the accident of my car. That is the area. That your road is not up to the mark that time. And spring is coming, and mango trees flowering. They produce mangoes. They are kind of things to fruitize. I don't know what that happening, what will still stay here, but usually people stay because of fear of traffic police. The dog man. So you need to be very careful while driving. In India, there is a master class. There is upper master class for driving. There, people used to come anywhere. It's very dangerous if you are not a skilled driver. So people are no responsible while driving. Actually, they design like that because there is no systems, and people, children are ready to go to job. They become a corporate employees one day, I think. And I don't know, today is a kind of the morning time. and Krishi Upaj Mandi. That is one of the renowned school of Kanker, Chhattisgarh. That is a Christian convent school, St. Michael's Higher Secondary School. And as you can enlighten, convent schools are great on education actually. And people used to mock, but they not compare with kind of things convent school has delivered. So this road is recently manufacturing constructed a year ago. I think not a year ago, but yeah, it's a good shape. And this is some of the hotels, major hotels in Kanker. So that kind of things you have to be very careful. Ladies are not careful actually while driving. They don't look, and they don't have a right mirror actually. So I don't know how their mind works. Yeah, they don't design to drive. That is called Mother Mary Hospital. That is also the convent hospital, you can. So let's see. We arrived.